Good evening. My name is Dinesh Shishkanjavre. Today we will be discuss about the method overriding in Java. In Java, the object-oriented programming language. Method overriding. Method overriding is a feature that allows subclass or child class to provide the specific implementation of the method that is already provided by one. It is a superclass or parent class. When a method in subclass the same name, same parameters or same signature and return type. As a method is a it is a method it is a super class. The superclass the then the method is the subclass is a said override in the superclass. The method overriding is a one of the way by which the Java achieve runtime polymorphism. The version of the method that they execute we will determine by object that is used involve it if an object of the parent class is used of involved in the method, then the version of the parent class will be execute. If object of the subclass is the use to involve the method, then the version of the child class will be execute. The rule of the method overriding. First, overriding as the access modifier. The access modifier for the overriding method can allow the more but not less access that the overridden method. For example, a protected instance method. The superclass can be made public but not private in the subclass. Doing so will generate compile time error. Second is a final method. Final method is a final method that cannot be override if the we don't want to be the method to the override. We declare it is a final. Third, state method cannot be override. When the define the static method with the same signature as the static method in a base class, it is known as method override or the method hiding. Fourth number, private method cannot be overridden. Private method cannot be overridden. They are the bonding during the compile time. Therefore, we can't even overridden private method in the subclass. Fifth is one, the overridden method must have a same return type. It is possible to have a different return type overridden method of the child class, but child return type should be subtype of parent return type. Or 6, overriding and constructor. Thank you.